Hey, 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 would you like to know a quick way that you can go from feeling so tired, exhausted to, woo, I feel like dancing? Stick around because I'm going to tell you. Hello, Rebecca Marina, EFT expert, and I have a new technique that is so effective using EFT. You're going to love it. As a matter of fact, it works with the power of love. Are you ready? Here we go. How tired do you feel on a scale of 1 to 10? You know, while I'm doing this video, I just did a long live stream, and yeah, I'm feeling tired. I got to pack for a trip. We all got so much stuff to do. So I feel tired at about a 6. What's your number? It's important that we measure, okay? So instead of doing tapping on the negative, we're going to do swiping the governing meridian and just think about, I'm so tired. This is the governing meridian. As a matter of fact, if you do it, it feels like you're loving on yourself. You love and accept yourself, right? I'm so tired. I love and accept myself. I am so tired. Now, we don't want to keep focusing on the negative. We want to move forward. Now, next, Heart-Lok. That's when you lock your heart onto something you love. Now, in our case, we were feeling tired, but we love it when, what? We feel energetic. Can I get an amen on that one? So, we're going to just tap in the positive. I love it when I feel energetic. I love it when I release tiredness. I love it when my blood flow is balanced, because that has a lot to do with it. I love it when my blood is oxygenated. That has a lot to do with it. I love it when I feel like moving. I love it when I feel peppy. You put in your words, okay? Just repeat after me or use your own words. I love it when, you see you got that heart lock going on. I love it when I feel more energetic. I'm tapping my heart at the same time. I love it when I feel better. I love it when I am relieved. I love it when I'm feeling better and better and better. I love it when I feel like dancing and sing a little, okay? I love it when I release exhaustion. I love it when everything in my life gets better because I'm full of love. Under the armpit. I love it when I feel energetic. Okay, take a deep breath in and out. Now, tune into how tired you feel on a scale of 1 to 10 or 1. I think I was at a 6. I would say it's maybe a 3 now. So we could do a little bit, even though I still feel some tired. I love and accept myself, but we're going to change it just a little, okay? Here we go. Even though I'm still a little tired, I love and accept myself. And I love it when I feel energetic. Woo! Now, every time you're tapping and you want to pep up, a little sound effects is so helpful. And do you notice I'm using my authority voice? I'm telling my body, pep up, pep up, pep up. Here we go, top of the head. I love it when I feel more energetic. I love and accept myself. I'm feeling more energetic. I might want to go dancing. I might want to dance right here and now in front of God and everybody. I might want to sing. I might want to hoop and holler. I might want to feel more energetic. And there, my friend, you have some magical Heart-Lok EFT where you focus on the positive. You lock your heart onto it and tap. I'm Rebecca Marina. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Did you know that when you subscribe, comment, or like, it tells YouTube's algorithm, hey, I like more stuff like this, and you will get more stuff like this in your feed. Also, it helps other people. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Rebecca Marina, EFT expert, creator of Forensic EFT, which dives deep, deep, deep and finds the cause.